那我是叫你雅文老师吗？
不用，就是 Olivia 雅文就可以了，都可以。
我可以叫雅文的，雅文你好。
National Theatre and Concert Hall
is throwing a wild jazz party. Everybody, we're gonna go together check them out today. The Insane Artists.
那老师，我们这一次的主题是酷爵士，你觉得爵士酷在哪里？
就酷在它真的很酷。
That's it, it's cool jazz.
雅文，你平常在就是唱歌之前啊，你会不会什么 warm up， 什么暖嗓的一些？
哦，有一个方式我会就是假装那个 dolphin，
那你可以帮我们诠释一次吗？
就大概是这样。这样子，这种的，是不是很大
You need to choose one between two.
Okay.
This is genre.
Okay, genre of
Metal versus country.
music, right?
Yeah, you need to.
Okay.
老师，听说这个学音乐的人啊，就是音准都还蛮了不起的哈。
是。
If you can describe the jazz as a food, which one can be?
Curry.
Curry?
Because there's many kinds of curry.
This summer we have cool jazz as a theme.
Right.
So exactly what's so cool about jazz?
For me, if you can play jazz, I'll say you're cool.
明彦哥，我们如果想到爵士的话，可以帮我想3个字吗？快速，棒棒棒
Freedom,
！Freedom,
democracy,
democracy,
and fun.
and
It's
fun.
See you in summer jazz. Sounds cool.